ngena kungakavalwa ofileyo la engasindiswanga engazalwanga kutsha.
If you die having not been born again,
umnyango usuvaliwe. Ayikho enye inkonzo yakhe yena lo. Noma uyabuya abahlabeleli bezwe lonke umnyango usuvaliwe. Ichance yokungena emnyango wayenza abafazi, ichance yokungena emnyango wayenza amajaha, ichance yokungena emnyango wayenza yokuthakathi, ichance yokuthandaza wayenza yokutshontsha. Ilungile usuvaliwe umnyango. Karivese sibona izinto zakho. Uvaliwe kuye lo muntu.
the door has been closed.
Lalela madoda uvaliwe umnyango wakhe.
The door, his or her door has been
Ayisekho
closed.
enye iplani ngaye futhi. Ungagijimiswa kuzwakala imbane, please. Ngena khathesi.
Enter now.
Uzamcolo ngakafiki. While the sky is still clear. Come. Ngena usuku losizi lungakafiki. Uyabizwa Putin.
God is calling.
Uyabizwa dadewethu.
You are being called.
Uyabizwa mfowethu.
You are being called.
Uyabizwa. Ngena kungakavalwa.